Welcome, my friends, to the extraordinary power of manifestation. Today, we embark on a journey that will transform your relationship with money, unlocking the abundance that resides within you. Before we get started, if you're constantly looking for tips on manifestation, be sure to subscribe to this channel. Now, get ready to manifest a life of financial freedom and limitless possibilities. The great New Thought author and mystic, Neville Goddard, taught us that our imagination is the key to creating the life we desire. He believed that our outer world is a reflection of our inner state. So, if we wish to manifest abundance, we must first cultivate abundance within. Let's start by shifting our mindset. Close your eyes, take a deep breath, and envision a life filled with prosperity. Picture yourself surrounded by all the wealth and financial freedom you desire. As you hold this vision in your mind, allow yourself to truly feel the emotions that come with it. Feel the excitement, the joy, and the gratitude as if it has already manifested in your reality. Now, my friends, it's time to step into the power of belief. Neville Goddard taught us that faith is the cornerstone of manifestation. Believe that you are deserving of wealth and abundance, and trust that the universe will conspire to bring it to you. Remember, doubts and fears are only illusions that hold us back. Release them, and embrace the unwavering belief that you are a magnet for money and prosperity. To reinforce your beliefs, create a powerful vision board. Fill it with images that represent your financial goals and dreams. Let it be a daily reminder of the abundant future you are manifesting. As you gaze upon your vision board each day, feel the emotions and excitement of already having those desires fulfilled. This visualization practice will amplify your manifesting power. Next, let's talk about the importance of gratitude. Gratitude is the magnet that attracts more blessings into your life. Take a few moments every day to write down the things you are grateful for, especially the wealth and abundance that is already present in your life. Neville Goddard reminds us that by appreciating what we already have, we raise our vibrational frequency and align ourselves with the energy of abundance. Finally, my dear friends, take inspired action. Neville Goddard emphasized that manifestation is not solely about wishful thinking. It requires us to take practical steps toward our goals. Trust your intuition and follow the signs and opportunities that come your way. When you align your actions with your desires, you create a powerful synergy that propels you toward financial abundance. Remember, we are limitless and our desires are just one imagination of fulfillment away.